I want to talk to you about something very important. As someone who has worked in both the factory and the financial world for many long years, listen to me carefully. Think about it. Imagine two apartments, same neighborhood, same rent, in the same place. Someone earning $75,000 a year lives. When you walk inside, you will find a 110-inch television mounted on the wall, a leather corner sofa set that cost $8,000, kitchen appliances currently available with tags still not removed, a storage room full of things that are no longer alive. And this person's stomach churns every time they look at their bank account. 2 missed paychecks and crisis is at the door. On the other hand, there is someone earning $45,000 a year. When you walk in, you feel the simplicity, modest sofas, used belongings, and this person works with a calm tiredness. 23 months of expenses saved, 25% of their paycheck in investments. This is what I learned while building my factory, watching my workers, leaning over the accounting books. My dear ones, this is not a matter of income, this is a matter of the hidden relationship between objects and money. The thing you buy costs you money twice. First is the price paid at the register, the second, and much older, it is the price paid for keeping those things, repair work, maintaining them, insuring them, and carrying them in your mind. I looked, years ago when I saw the machines being kept in the factory warehouse, my heart ached. They just take up space, need maintenance, eat up floor rent, but nobody touches them. Unnecessary items at home are the same. A 35 square meter treadmill eats up thousands of liras in floor rent in that city apartment, and on top of that you go and hang laundry on it. A 45,000-hour boat is taken somewhere as maintenance cost each year, it gets put in the water. And all these things occupy your mind, 'cause stress, even research says this, clutter raises cortisol. Now I will count 10 rules for you. I learned these both within myself and while managing my factory. First rule: before buying something, calculate realistically how many times you will use it, divide the price by that number, find the cost per use. A jacket bought for $200 and worn twice costs $100 per use, a jacket bought for $400 and worn 200 times costs $2, which jacket is expensive? Second rule: look at every item in your home and honestly ask yourself, if this disappeared today, would I go and buy it again? For most things the honest answer will be no. These items stay not out of intention but out of inertia. Third rule: never replace something that works perfectly just because a new model came out. I never changed the machines in my factory until they broke down. The average person spends a needless $50,000 on phones over 30 years worldwide. When this calculation is done across all categories, it reaches $200,000. Fourth rule: design your environment carefully. Delete saved card information from internet sites. Wait 24 hours before any non-essential purchase. This single rule eliminates 70% of impulse purchases. Set up an automatic transfer to your investment account on payday. Let it go before you see it. Fifth rule: count your belongings regularly. Choose a category, write down how many there are. Once you learn you have 47 shirts, buying the 48th feels completely different.